Hey, what's up guys? It's Chelsea, and today we're getting trippy. And this is the best lineup you'll see all season. Step 1, Hydra Grip Primer. Hit of Hydra. It's an oil-free, silicone-free primer with hemp-derived cannabis and blue agave for all-day hydration and hold. Take 1 or 2 pumps, apply it to your skin, and blend to perfection. Allow 1 minute to dry. May I suggest a 1-minute meditation? Step 2, Sunshine Skin Tint in medium tan. Hello. Don't forget to pump it, apply it, roll it, and blend it in with your fingers, and it looks so good. Get a little bit of coverage, but even more SPF. Step 3, eye pigment in Mermaid Free. Eyes are my favorite part. First, I'm gonna apply a little dollop on the back of my hand. We're gonna take a synthetic brush, we're gonna go to town. I like to make a really thick cat eye and a really fun line on top, but you can also just use your finger and smudge it all over. I like green because it's fun, it's poppy, it's in your face, just like me. Step 4, KUSH Mascara. Turn it up. I love KUSH Mascara because it's high volume, it's a really black formula, and it's really conditioning to my lashes. KUSH. Are these lashes headlining? Step 5, lip and cheek and Perk. It's got mango butter, peach nectar, avocado oil. I like to take an angled brush and apply that to the cheekbones. I start dabbing it and then just pack it on. It's like a fake sunburn. Step 6, KUSH Balm in Nuts. So good. It's a peachy nude with a subtle golden shimmer in it. It's really hydrating, really moisturizing, and it glides perfectly onto the lips. Yum, right? Step 7, tattoo stamp and heart and star. I love tattoo stamps for a festival because you can change your look in between each set. Come here. Yes, ready for that front row. All right guys, that's Trippy. I'm Chelsea. I'll see you out there. Hello? Wait, where are you?